Welcome to the Lux AI Tools channel. Have you heard about Agent Mode in ChatGPT? It's a brand new feature that's insanely powerful, but most people still don't know how to make the most of it. In this video, I'm showing you 4 real-life scenarios where just one command lets ChatGPT handle tasks you'd normally have to do yourself. It's like having your own personal AI assistant working for you, 24/7. Let's jump right in. First off, if you don't see Agent Mode in your ChatGPT, you're probably on the free plan. Right now, it's only available on paid tiers like Plus, Team, and Pro. To turn it on, head over to the Tools tab, click Agent Mode on the left, and you'll instantly see ready-to-use prompts. Things like creating reports, building PowerPoints, working with spreadsheets, or even taking action directly on the web. When you run Agent Mode, ChatGPT spins up a virtual machine inside OpenAI's secure environment. It's not a clone of your real computer. Think of it as a digital assistant working in its own private space. You can watch every step it takes in real time, skip ahead if you want, and even check a full action log. This is where you see ChatGPT actually getting things done for you. Next up, I tried a prompt I really love. It might sound a little abstract, but it's actually super relevant to today's youth culture. Explore the rise of AI-generated fake nostalgia. From retro-style, lo-fi videos and AI singers to fake childhood memories on TikTok. Why do so many Gen Z and millennials crave a past they never lived? Let's break down the emotional triggers, the internet trends, and how AI might be manufacturing memory itself. And in the end, can AI really invent nostalgia better than real life? Basically, I'm asking ChatGPT to analyze this phenomenon. AI-created content that makes people feel like they're reliving a memory they never actually experienced. From 90s-style lo-fi videos to AI singers to TikTok clips like POV, You're a Kid in 2004. This is a cultural wave blowing up among young audiences. The agent gets it instantly. It organizes the analysis into clear sections. What emotional triggers make Gen Z and millennials love this type of content? How does the internet help spread these fake memories? And can AI invent nostalgia that's even stronger than real memories? Personally, I think this kind of report is gold if you're a creator, blogger, or want to turn a sociological insight into a high-quality video. You could use it as a voiceover, add visuals, and post it straight to TikTok or YouTube. Now, let's try something super practical. Creating a PowerPoint presentation straight from a website. I'll paste in the link to a site listing a bunch of courses and tell the agent to turn it into a full presentation, just like if you were pitching them to a potential client. Once I hit go, the agent browses the site, goes through each course, pulls the details, and neatly organizes it all into slides. What I love is that it doesn't just dump the text. It organizes it by category, adds headings, includes images, just like a real content creator would. All right, here's a super practical one. I ask the agent to find me a minimalist, designer-inspired handbag under $200 with free shipping. Sounds like normal online shopping, right? But here's the cool part. ChatGPT filters everything based on neutral colors, eye-catching product photos, top buyer reviews, delivery within 3 days. Then it gives me the top 5 picks, complete with direct links so I can buy them instantly. If you're a creator, a fashion lover, or just looking for video ideas, this is the ultimate shopping assistant. All right, this next one is both super practical and honestly really fun, especially if you're a freelancer, run a business, or just deal with client emails every day. I wanted to demo how ChatGPT Agent Mode can auto-reply to emails in Gmail, so I set up a scenario that feels completely real. Here's what I did. I created a Gmail account named Linda, acting as a potential client. Then I sent an email to my main inbox, and here's what it said. Subject: Interested in your AI automation services? Hi there. I saw your YouTube video about using AI for content automation, and I'm really impressed. Do you offer any one-on-one coaching or courses on this? I'd love to know more. Linda. If you've ever sold a product, a course, or offered consulting, you've probably seen emails exactly like this. Normally, writing a good reply, professional but friendly, could take you 15 to 30 minutes for just one email. But with ChatGPT Agent Mode, it's way easier. I open ChatGPT, switch on Agent Mode, and type in this prompt. A potential client named Linda just emailed me asking about my AI automation services after watching my YouTube video. Please draft a friendly, professional reply explaining what I offer, coaching or courses, how it works, and how she can get started. Seconds later, ChatGPT reads the email and generates a polished response that gives a quick intro to my services, outlines the coaching or course options, uses clear, warm, and professional language. The result? I've got a complete, ready-to-send email without typing a single extra word. This is the kind of task that can save you hours every week, especially if you get a lot of questions from customers or people interested in your products or services. And the best part? It all works smoothly in a real Gmail inbox. No complicated setup required. So with just a few simple prompts, ChatGPT Agent Mode helped me create an in-depth report, build a PowerPoint presentation, find and filter fashion products online, write professional client email replies. And you can do all of that today. No coding, no tech skills required. Which one of these 4 tasks do you think would help you the most? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, because in my upcoming videos I'll be sharing more killer tips on using AI tools to make your life and work easier. And don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one, wishing you all the creativity and success. Lux AI Tools, helping you grow your YouTube channel smarter, faster, and more profitably with AI.